Hi guys, good morning. Dito na kami sa Talibon. Here. Come here, Timber. Timber. Come here, mommy. So, ito yung update sa chicken coop namin, guys. Good morning, guys. Dito po ako sa back. Oh my God, so hot. The back of our property line. And here. Nagpapagawa po ako ng chicken coop. And there's the update. Ito na guys, malapit nang matapos. Tapos niyan, ihahatid na yung mga chickens na malagay namin dyan. Init eh. More kahoy guys. Almost done. More bamboos and kahoy. Hi! Titi, hello. Hello. Odette. 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 Come on. Odette. Ano ta kakao at takaon ko? Ah. Imuhang talong. So, yan ko ng green at the middle. Lapit na guys. Mayroon na kaming makukuhang itlog ni Emily. Yay! Almost done. Okay, uwi muna ako kasi magcha-charge. Saya! Hinyo palahubog. Sana all rich. It's almost done guys. Lapit nang matapos. Saya! Na po ng tanduway. Ay, sig. Kuha na iyo kay... Nanapod ng imong nanapod na imong gara-gara. Ay, ndote. Apil og awit ng tanghalan yo.
Tanghalan. Akan ngaro do gisimba. Yalla
Yawa jud ni. Kasi ngeres tiya. Kayawa jud aning amo ang yohin niyo oy. Piyo jud kay ni among yohin niyo. Malo ata niya. Nana Sergio. I love. Ha? Ano tati ta? Dili man magkaon nagkuan love. Ha? Dili magkaon nag. Dili mo itagkawan ni oh. Hi, cow. Where you going, love? Huh? The other side, love. Other side, okay. Other side, right here. Here. Almost done na, guys. See? Let's take a look at inside. Oopsie. Careful. Don't close, love, ha? Don't close that. Here's the inside. This is where they're gonna lay their eggs. This is not finished. Di pa to tapos. Meron pa kami ilalagay dito. Close! Okay. Oh, it's okay. Later na ng iPad. Play sa taha. Okay? We just reuse our roof. Among reuse lang. And then we have this in the middle. Ito, lalagyan pa ito ng ano, ng ganito, bamboo. I think lalagyan ko to ng paint para hindi madaling masira sa uwan at saka sa ano, init. Help you. Help me. Love, right here, love. Oh, love, look. Excuse me, love. Excuse me. Hold on. What's that, love? What's that, love? Here you go. Okay. Excuse me, love. Move here, love. So, like that. And then we open it. We open. Yan. Careful, ha. Love, wanna love feed chicken? Wanna ka feed chicken? Ha?
Sa bed?
Watch ka? Okay. No, Annie? Not this one? You want other one? Okay. How's... Kumusta? Did you enjoy feeding chicken, love? Ano sa manay mo? Di pa peg?